Hey guys, it's me Lucas from Lucas D6. Guess what I'm making? Oh, yep, you guessed it. Chocolate chip cookies. Here we have the flour. Here we have the sugar, brown and white. Here we have the egg, the butter, the vanilla, and the chocolate chip. They're my favorite. Look at the hooks. It tastes like chocolate. We gotta hide them for my dad. You want to see me pouring the powder? Remember, guys, very stuff. Cause remember, this comes out dust. Oh, there she blows. Look at those bad boys. Now we put the sugar in. This is my Diana secret recipe. I cannot tell you the measurements. She wants it to be a secret. Okay, we keep going. Which one do you want next, guys? Oh, the butter. You want the butter. Well, okay. My mom told me I need to use this to get all the stuff out. Everything. Okay. Now let's put in the egg. Put the egg. Now you go to the wet ingredients. Mom, my partner, do I put the chocolate chips in now? Alright, my mom said no. Now I'm gonna mix all the ingredients. I'll be back. Lucas out. Right guys, I'm gonna do a fast forward video. Remember, keep your eyes open so you can see the ingredients. My cookies are done. They came out good. Look at them. And guess what? I also made 2 big ones. And this is mine. Let's see what it tastes. Yum. My gosh, this is munchy, crunchy, munchy. This is so good. So guys, make sure you hashtag me, like me, give me a thumbs up, and share. Alright guys, bye.